People, I swear. Yeah, man, we do a video, man. Breadfruit chips, KFC and the box and all these things. But big man thing, this serious. You see me? Then they expect my second video. I would have something like this. You see me? Because we build a little YouTube channel. Put out the one video. The one video we put out, brother. And I tell us, say, rapper crapper, one nigga way. Subscribe to them and the thing and then just start and hardly could have chat, brother. We respect them down to a bone. You see me? Always I tell me nigga them say, yo, this a man when he just start, only when he's sown and like the growth and all of that. Right now the man make me have a different outlook on him, brother. God know. Where the man review the video and how much people send me link and I say, yo, your video gone, rapper crapper, yo, it's shot. Rate that and respect that and even comment on it and I say, big up yourself, bro. Never expect this one man do, brother. The man take down the entire complete video and put it up back on a different channel where I'm have you. No one where I'm talk over it. Just put up back the video on a different channel. You see me? So me I say if your man just a try out him thing and come on YouTube with him one video, brother. And then man ever in the game how long. Go take down your one video. That come like you plate full of your box out the food out of your youth mouth, brother. You see me? I'm gonna rate that one here. But big man thing, write a comment on it. You see me? Let me see if I can scroll it down. Well, I tell them I need to expect that this about my second video on YouTube, but in a real life, I got my second video this when you crap and I take it down. Cause see it here? Comment on it, you know. You see me? See it there? Comment on it. You understand? I make the eye know say, yo, I not to respect that. So take down your video, brother, and give your brother strength. You see me? So the quality are not good enough, but and the quality of video, you know, and a message. You understand, crapper? So rate your brother, take down a video there, brother, and about that something there. One video we have on YouTube and your teeth, brother. Nah, expect that from your brother. Think you go send the people them go subscribe, pa.